My man Vince. Bro, how's it going?
Not bad, not bad.
What happened?
Dude, it's 5 a.m.
So?
Third episode we recorded today. I'm tired.
Hey.
I'm tired.
Wake up. Do you want some coffee or something?
Dude, yes, I need coffee.
I got you.
All right.
I'll make you some coffee. Oh. Here's a coffee drink.
Okay.
Try it.
Okay.
It's coffee.
Ah! Oh my God! Let's do this! Yeah!
Wait, Vince.
What?
It's actually 5 o'clock.
Oh!
Look. Hey guys, I'm Teasin.
And I'm Vince.
It's 5 o'clock. You know what that means?
It's time to drink.
Let's get to it. Hey guys, and welcome back. See, I told you they'd be back.
The back?
Guys, it's really cold outside. That's because
freezing.
we live in Chicago.
You know the weather sometimes one day it's hot as hell. But today,
I swear.
my God, there's snowing going on right now.
Listen, man, Chicago has a very bipolar weather.
It's
Like
terrible.
one day it's good, the other day it's just horrible. In one day, you can have all 4 seasons.
You can, yeah. But
That's Chicago.
Is there a drink that can warm us up?
Not gonna lie, I was thinking about the old fashioned, but I am craving a Russian.
A Russian?
Yeah, like a white Russian.
Like a white Christmas? Like a
Yeah.
white Russian?
Yeah, something like that. Yeah.
Okay, cool.
I mean, it'll get you energized, plus it'll keep you warm.
Was that why I jumped?
I think so.
Oh.
Just a little too much energy.
Style it back, style it back.
We'll see. Guys, so today we're gonna show you how to make 3 unique ways of creating the Russian.
That's right. The first one we're gonna make is the easy Black Russian.
Then we're gonna make the regular, the classic White Russian,
That's right. And finally, we're gonna make the 5-0 White Russian.
or the 5-0 Russian.
Yeah, the 5-0 Russian.
Trust me, it's really good.
That's right.
So, how about we start?
Before we get into it, do you know why the White Russian was called the White Russian?
From Mother Russia.
You would think, actually. But no, it actually came from Belgium.
White Russian?
Yeah, White Russian.
In Belgium?
That's right. The White Russian actually came from
But
Belgium.
why is it called White Russian?
Do you want me to explain it to you?
Yeah.
Okay, quiet.
Okay.
So, the White Russian actually came from Belgium. Now, this guy named Gustav Top in 1949 created this drink for the U.S. ambassador.
Oh.
Now, the ambassador, he really loved coffee. So what he decided to do was combine a vodka and he combined a Kahlua. Combined the two together and he created the Black Russian. Now, what's nice is that he created a whole lot of variations. Now, the White Russian we all know today, actually, he added a little bit of creamer to it.
Why?
I know. Actually, because it tastes amazing, Teaser.
Oh, okay. Cool.
But,
Yeah.
so they have a whole lot of variations to the White Russian. One of the variations is called the White Canadian. Now, the White Canadian, instead of using
Where did
creamer-
Canada come into this?
I know, right? The White Canadian actually came in when they actually used goat's milk. I know, weird. Don't ask me. I didn't come up with the name. But another thing that they came up with,
Called a goat Russian?
no, it's called the White Canadian.
Oh, what?
Yeah, the White Canadian. Anyway, the White Canadian is such a good drink. But they also came up with another drink called the Dirty Russian. Now, the Dirty Russian was actually using cream. Instead of using creamer, they actually used chocolate milk. Teason, what do you think about a Dirty Russian?
I like me a dirty Russian.
I'm talking about the drink.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about.
Okay. Whew. Alrighty, guys. Now, the first drink we'll be making is the Dirty Russian. The Dirty Russian is such a great drink, easy to make, and you know what? Gustav Tops made it for us, and you know it's gonna be good. All you need is 1.5 ounces of vodka.
Wait. But first, a word from our sponsors. It's Skeptic.
Oh, Skeptic is a distillery located in the Chicagoland area. In fact, their founder Carl has decided to combine science and engineering and create it into an art.
It
In
is?
fact, they created this amazing drink called the Gin Quila. Now,
Oh, you guys should try that.
yes, and in fact, what they all are also
Wait.
yeah.
If you guys want to learn more, go check them out in the link down below.
Okay, can I finish the Dirty Russian?
Yes.
Okay, so as we said before, 1.5 ounces of vodka. then you'll need 3/4 ounces of Kahlua or coffee liqueur, whatever is your favorite. And guys, that's it. That's
Or
simple.
even coffee.
Or even coffee. Now, let's get to it, shall we? The Black Russian, easiest drink to make. Now let's begin. First step, grab your shaker filled with ice. After that, we're gonna grab 1.5 ounces of vodka. And as we said in the beginning of the episode, our sponsor for today is Skeptic. Now, after we're done with our vodka, put it off to the side and grab our coffee liqueur. Now, the recipe really calls for 3/4 ounces of Kahlua, but we actually prefer this brand of Kimura. Now, Kimura is great and all, but if you don't have any coffee liqueur, you can make some yourself. Just make a couple of espresso shots, add some sugar, and you're good to go. 3/4 ounces, pour that right in there. Grab our shaker, pop the top in, and shake it. Great. Pop open our shaker. Now, let's grab our old-fashioned glass because you know what? It's smaller, it's more elegant, and it serves for the recipe. Let's grab some ice. Pop that right in there. Add our strainer and pour it right in. Just look at that. Now, this is optional, but as a garnish, grab some white chocolate, take a shaver, and shave some right in there. And guys, that's a Black Russian.
Alrighty guys, so that was an easy way of creating the Russian, aka the Black Russian. Now let me show you how to make the classic version, which is the White Russian. Now to make this, you're gonna need 3 ingredients. You're gonna need 1 ounce of vodka, 1 ounce of coffee liqueur, and 2 parts of half and half. That's it. So let's get to it. Now for this, you're gonna need a single serving glass, and not gonna lie, I'm a little bougie, so I like to use something different. So you're gonna take your glass, you're gonna put in 1 ounce of the vodka, just like so. Perfect. And then 1 ounce of coffee liqueur. Now remember, if you don't have any coffee liqueur, you can make it with some espresso and some sugar. Super simple, actually. And once you have that set, you're gonna drop in some ice. Just like that. And you're gonna take a shaker and put 2 ounces of half and half. Just like so. And you're gonna shake it with no ice. So this is called a dry shake. Now what this does is it allows the half and half to get a little frothy. Now that's what you want. Give it a good shake. Perfect. Once you have that set, super simple. Just gonna take a spoon and you're just gonna pour it right over so you have a good divide. And finally, to garnish, I'm just gonna take some coffee beans, some grounded coffee beans. Just gonna put that right on. And guys, there you have it, the White Russian. Alrighty guys, so those were 2 easy ways of creating the Russian. You got the Black Russian, which is 2 ingredients.
You got the White Russian, which is 3 ingredients.
And now for the best one yet. We're gonna show you how to make the 5-0 Russian.
Oh, such a great drink, such an amazing drink.
It's actually really simple, but yet very elegant. Now for this, you're gonna need 1 ounce of vodka.
You're gonna need 2 ounces of Kahlua.
Or coffee liqueur. And you're gonna need 2.5 ounces of Rum Chada.
You're also gonna need some white chocolate.
And to garnish, you're gonna take some whipped cream and
some coffee grounds.
That's it. Vince, why don't you show us?
Let's get to it. All right, guys, let's begin making the 5-0 Russian. First things first, we're gonna grab a martini glass. Now, you can use any sort of glass, but today we're gonna use a martini glass. As you can see, coat the lower third with white chocolate. Once that's completed, let's put it off to the side and begin making a drink. Grab a shaker filled with ice, 1 ounce of vodka. Once that's completed, 2 ounces of Kahlua or coffee liqueur. Now, grab the top of our shaker, pop that in, and shake it. Perfect. Now, grab back our martini glass, pop open the shaker, add a strainer, and strain it right in there. Perfect. Grab a new shaker and let's grab 2.5 ounces of Rum Chada. Pop in the top and start dry shaking. Pop it open. Now we want to grab in our spoon and carefully, guys, carefully pour in the Rum Chada. Next, you're gonna grab some whipped cream and give it a good whirl. As a garnish, we're gonna grab our white chocolate and shave. And finally, grab some coffee grounds and sprinkle that right in there. And guys, that's a 5-0 Russian.
Alrighty, guys. Well, guess what? Those were 3 different variations of the Russian.
You have the black Russian,
We got the white Russian.
and you have the 5-0 Russian.
I'm not gonna lie. Those do look delicious.
I love the color combination. You got the black, you got the white, you got the coffee grounds.
Black and white right here.
There we go.
But how does it taste? That's a good question.
You know, personally, okay. When I drink my coffee, I like my coffee black. But with the white Russian, I love the white Russian over just a regular black Russian. Yeah.
It's a little bit more complex.
It's way more complex. And
Now, out of these,
Yes.
which one would you say is your favorite?
not gonna lie, I have to go with the 5-0 Russian.
Okay.
Yeah. I mean, you got the chocolate shavings, you have the coffee grounds, and here. The complexity. Okay, not gonna lie, the coffee grounds at the top, it really, the aromas, it helps a lot. Like, I didn't think it would help a lot, but it actually makes a huge difference.
Okay.
I smell it and I smell like, I visualize Starbucks.
Okay.
Yeah, that's a visual.
How's it taste?
It tastes like a Frappuccino.
Oh, okay.
Like, if you don't like alcohol, I don't know why you're watching this channel, but it tastes like a Frappuccino.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Not gonna lie, I do like the white Russian.
The white Russian?
Yes,
Yeah.
I like it much better than the black Russian.
Really?
But I don't know what it is. It's just that
It's
like,
frothy.
Yeah, it's frothy whenever you mix it all together. It just gives it
Look at that
different
color.
remote.
Color gradient right there. Oh.
That literally tastes like drinking like a coffee.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's very smooth. It's very rich in texture.
It is, yeah.
And the half and half just creates it, like, it just makes it a little bit thicker.
Yes.
So it tastes like you're drinking
Frothiness.
a smoothie.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, we did a half and half to this one, but we also added whipped cream to this. And
Well, you didn't add half and half.
No, I added whipped
Rum Chada.
Yes. Oh my God. Yeah, the Rum Chada.
It's a completely different taste.
It is a completely different taste.
That's good.
I could drink this all day.
That's really good. Oh my gosh.
Like, it's a perfect drink for the day or nighttime.
It's coffee basically.
It is coffee. Yeah.
Guys, if you like what you saw, don't forget to smash that like button.
And if you guys want to be notified for future content, don't forget to hit subscribe.
Now, if you guys do try these out and like it, go comment down below. Until next time, guys, I'm Teasin.
And I'm Vince.
It's 5 o'clock, and we're out.
Cheers, guys.